People, welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, a long time I do a 2 for 1, but so much things happening in one day that's I did the 2 videos. Very, very spooky situation right now. Non-stop stories coming in from all over the place. But today I'm going to be talking about the recent discovery of 4 bodies in West Kingston, and also 3 youths where the police them killed in Brampton. Now, make we start with West Kingston. 4 bodies. Police them say them find them dismembered in a shallow grave. 3 youth in a one grave and 1 in another one. The youth them go missing over the weekend. Early reports are that a group of man, more than 4 of them, that man actually get away, but then go to a thief generator and then buck up near some 87s from Tivoli. The youth them will go down there, come from Denan town, and then buck up in a man from Tivoli garden. You them from Tivoli take them away, and as you can imagine, they did not take them on some type of holiday camp. Them take them to kill them. Now, immediately, people at the town hear about it because, as I say, other people were there and them get away. So, man go back go tell the people them say, say we just try to do this and buck up on guard man. In case you don't know, West Kingston man them have a long history of hiding bodies. And you would think say them can't do it because it's not like say rural St. James or even St. Catherine and Rivoli and them place where them have like the river and them thing then. No. Guard man them can hide bodies very well. You better ask people about that train line. The train line in West Kingston is very spooky. The amount of man go missing out there so. So the security forces them deployed. JDF spend Monday night securing the area where people suspect them buried the man them. The family of the men who were missing were gathered waiting for ear information. Now of course, them ear say Tivoli man them take them away and them very likely dead, but you know it go already. When people's loved one go missing, them normally cling on for at least a little piece of hope say they're going to hear from them again. Well, they got the worst news them could have heard. Loved ones dead. Found in shallow graves. You see it on CVM page, family are bald, people are mourn. People are saying they can't believe it. Tragedy. Whole heap of bawling, whole heap of hugging. Other people are say the security forces need to deal with this right now. The police them need to deal with the man who do this right now. The JDF need to deal with the man who do this right now. But here is the thing. On one hand, people say, police need to go deal with the boy them who did this. JDF need to go deal with the boy them who did this. But we all know say, if them actually go deal with the man who did this, you will never hear the end of it. You are going to see West Kingston turn upside down. You are going to see all kind of protests. You are going to see beer war in the streets. You are going to see residents fly up in the police face. You are going to see residents fly up in the JDF face. You are going to hear say, what them a do around here? What them come around here for trouble people for? The band do them nothing. Then just love pressure we. Next thing you see some kind of altercation go on, and then somebody record it, send the video up on social media, and then you know what happens next. That's when your favorite celebrities will jump on the case. You see it? All them do are go and they go pressure people. All them go and they go and go bother people. Them only have data on them phone when time them see altercation between the security forces and the residents. And it no matter if it's the resident or pick the fight, it don't matter. Right? Security forces should have divine patience and just take any lick in the face, any kick, and no matter. So, when people are say, go deal with the boy them, why them not go for the man them? Why them not go to Tivoli? Me I wonder if them same people there are going to say that if them actually, quote unquote, go for the man them. If them actually go dig down Tivoli. Because rest assured, it's a different song you go start sing. Because you that swear say, there is no 87 in West Kingston. Them 4 youth here, but don't even know how them dead because surely a can't gunman kill them because there's no gunmen in West Kingston. Right. JDF is bad man West Kingston. Police is bad man West Kingston. It's all a lie. This is what I don't understand. Remember, in West Kingston, the JDF and the JCF are the ultimate monsters. That's the narrative. They are the worst thing to set foot in West Kingston. But the people are always ready to video and get direct evidence of the JDF and the JCF doing certain things. Fine, no problem. No problem at all. Do your videoing. But why people can't video the lesser evil. Remember, gunmen are the lesser evil. 87s are the lesser evil. Right? 87s and gunmen are your favorite Dan and whoever. They love the people, right? They are nowhere near as evil as the JDF. So why nobody never catch them on video and kill them on them? Why they can't record 87s? Record gunman and take people and kill them. Then we can have a better idea of what take place. Cause now we have to guess. We are trying to wonder how they move them from yesterday or so. We are trying to wonder how they get the bodies down there. So we have to guess. Why the video not go on? I wonder if it's because people know that the narrative is false. And residents don't fear the JDF or the JCF like how them fear gunman. Residents know say them can literally kick down soldier and live. But if them even look on a gunman and go on film apps, they might lose them eyes. Interesting times. Anyway, we can move to Dino Boys them. Recently, you have seen me do a video on a youth named Dino. He was behind bars, flashing the cash, living the good life. But them there jail or road in the middle of difference to them mother. He was supposed to come out in June, but nobody can see him, look like him a lay low. Some of his 87s them go up on a robbery. Police start running them down, the three of them end up dead. When I do them are dead, him just come from jail. But when I understand say, no for the man them got jail, all them do is make new links, because they get short sentences anyway, so they make new links, get all kind of new information. Then when they touch back the road, them even more dangerous than when they got jail the first time. Because I like say, when them got jail, them career come to an end. Them criminal career only a start. Before them go jail, them a small time thief. Then them go jail, go meet big thief, do 6 months to a year, come back a road with newfound skills, newfound trade, and then they learn to by heart. So all we can do is keep a close eye on the parish. One time, this was unheard of. If you tell somebody, even just 10, 20 years ago, say place like Brampton could have guessed a hat, or a certain place in the parish were once quiet. If you tell people them time they say, hey, you know, say, this I get it at hand, then they tell us a lie you tell. And that is why certain parish like Portland and them places that still have a very low murder rate. I also tell people say be careful. Don't make because you see 10, 15 murders a year, you think say you're immune from the virus spreading to your parish. And that's how it works. No place where I get 40, 50 murders a year now, used to get like 20. Things can get very ugly very fast. So that is why when time on the see new 87 falling on the place and people ask who that on here, so you know start Tony come from, maybe him come from, him a lay low. You might think to yourself, well, let me just lock my mouth and say nothing. Next thing you know, man come hunt him and kill him in a your normal quiet community. It happened recently in Portland. Very interesting times. Anyway, Ultra Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more live. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.